Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Andrew with Tracey Refrigeration. Here we've installed the new Navien NPE Tankless 180 tankless water heater. It's 99% efficient. We've installed all the venting, the plumbing, and the gas piping. Everything's neat, straight, clean. Mounted it on a 3/4 inch piece of plywood on the wall. I'm just going to pull it apart and so everybody can have a look. It's a nice looking unit. It's quiet, it's clean, it's tucked in the corner. Unlimited hot water. Here's a look at the inside of the machine. So this unit would give you unlimited hot water. If you had a rental unit, you had a large family, and or a big jacuzzi tub, and you continuously run out of hot water, this is the unit for you. Highest efficiency, stainless steel heat exchangers, great warranty, just a quality piece of equipment. This customer is very happy with it so far, and just have a look. I'm going to fire her up. Now it's a little bit noisier with the cover off. It starts up on high fire. All natural gas modulating products, pieces of equipment do this. And then it sets the fire for the demand. So it's only now it's running and only needs a small amount of flame to heat the hot water. So right now we're just running it on a tap. It's hard to see, but the burner's lit there. Heats the water to 120 degrees instantly. And there it is. It's running, providing continuous hot water. That start up makes a little bit of noise, but it's a lot quieter when you got the cabinet on. And right there, it's heating the hot water for the sink behind me. Unlimited hot water. Made by Navien. Give us a call if you're interested in learning more about this piece of equipment, or even if you want one installed. Just showing you how we do our piping. All the plumbing's neat, straight, so is the venting. There you go. Can't even hear the unit now. Tracey Refrigeration.